Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, The Droid Guy. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix power mode not showing when you click on battery icon on your laptop. So if you try to click your battery icon here on the taskbar, you will see the power mode. However, if you've experienced the issue wherein the power mode is not showing, then we'll be able to help you with that. The first thing that you need to do is to right-click on the battery icon. Then select Windows Mobility Center. A window opens. Now on the battery status, click the drop-down button. On your end, you should see the option Balanced. Click on that. Then close the window and check if you're now able to see the power mode on your battery icon. If not, you can try the next method. Go to the control panel. To do this, go to the search bar and type in control panel. This is the best match. Click on it. A window opens. Select large icons on the view by. Then search for power options. This one, click on it. So, on the power options window, you need to select balance, which is the recommended power option. Once you've selected it, close the window. Then refresh your system. That should fix the issue. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.